getting used to this cold. Traded my dreams for this neon hell, chest full of broken glass. Sometimes I smell you here in the subway.